Good morning, all of you. This is Life Coach Dr. Uttam Dave, and I bring you yet another video of how to protect yourself from COVID-19. So, today this video is aimed at creating an affirmation to protect yourself from COVID-19. Now, what exactly is an affirmation? An affirmation is a statement which you either tell yourself mentally or you write on a piece of paper, and that statement turns into a reality. Trust me, it is a very powerful technique, and it works always at any point of time for anybody in any part of the world. So today I'm going to create an affirmation for protecting us from COVID-19. Please make sure that you repeat this affirmation once daily in your mind, or write at least once daily in a separate notebook till the time COVID-19 situation presents itself to the world. Once COVID-19 situation is over, you need not write the affirmation. So let me narrate the affirmation to you. My scavenger cells, T cells and antibodies are working in an optimum way. I am repeating the affirmation. My scavenger cells, T cells and antibodies are working in the optimum way. Now you must be wondering, why have I written this affirmation? To give you a small idea, these are the three components of the immune system, and you are basically telling these three groups of cells that you are doing excellent work. By actually talking to your cells, you are motivating them to do excellent work. So this affirmation, as I said earlier, always works. Please do them every day till the time COVID-19 situation presents itself. You could be in any part of the world, doesn't really matter. You could be of any age, doesn't really matter. You could be of any caste, religion, sex, anybody, it doesn't matter. Just do this affirmation and you will remain protected from COVID-19. Of course, I also urge all of you to take your vaccinations and other complementary medications if you are taking like Ayurveda or homeopathic or Unani medicine. Continue with all those efforts, but this is going to keep you protected. Fine. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye-bye.